Without any doubt, Seedance 2.0 is the best AI video generation model. But at the same time, this is very expensive and not easily available for free. But today I have a website where you can use Seedance 2.0 for completely free without any restrictions. So without any further delay, let's jump right into the video. So here's the interface of this platform. Don't worry, you're gonna know the name in a while. But first of all, let me tell you how to use it. So basically, this is a very simple interface. This is a basic chatbot kind of interface. But you need to first click on this new chat, and here you can see we have multiple different options. We have create video. You can also use it for creating the images, but we're gonna go with the create videos, and from here we're gonna select the model Seedance 2.0 fast, and you also have the option to add the reference images, and you have the maximum duration of 10 seconds. Next we have the aspect ratios option. So let's give it a very simple prompt, and once we hit generate, here you can see this is using the Seedance 2.0 model, and this says that it will use 2 points, but we still have 4 remaining points. That means you can generate 3 videos for free on a daily basis. But don't worry about that, I have a solution for that. And here is the output. Now in the same way, you can use the images as a references. So for example, if I click on the image reference and upload any image from my device, here is the video output.
Okay, let's do this. Running late, but we gotta look cute, right? Of course. It is what it is.
The video quality is really good, but the only problem is the watermark. Don't worry, I have a solution for that. Simply go to your search bar and search for free watermark remover. You will have a bunch of different websites. I'm selecting any one of them. Simply upload your video, simply mark the watermark, and this will be removed. So basically you are getting 3 videos for free on the daily basis. But if you want to generate more videos, you can simply switch to a different account. You can sign up with your Gmail, you can sign up with your Facebook account. That's completely up to you. And if you're wondering what is the platform, this is Dola AI. The link will be in the description below. So right now this website is fully working, and today is the 22 June. I don't know how long this will be working. So you have the opportunity to use it right now. So if you like this kind of content, and if you like this video, and if you want to access the more free tools, make sure to subscribe to the Planet AI, and I'll see you in the next one.